Mikey at Shayne, but you know, you gotta start somewhere to become a pro. Kailangan na rin talaga mag-practice, diba? Pero syempre, may ready silang i-share sa atin na snack treat ideas na pwedeng ihain sa Pasko for our family.
Yes, so don't you worry mga Mars, they got you.
So Shayne, ang gagawin mo ay?
Twisted bacon po.
Uy.
Twisted bacon.
At no one can ever go wrong with bacon.
At si Mikey naman ay corn rib.
Corn rib, yes.
Okay, so Mars, Shayne, let's start.
So, first po, kuha muna tayo ng gloves.
Para walang cheese.
Para, yes,
Yan.
walang...
Walang issue.
Baka masyado ka. Joke.
Joke lang.
Alam na po. Ayan po, first, kukuha tayo ng strip ng bacon and then we're going to twist it.
Oh.
Kaya twisted bacon.
Kaya
Yes.
twisted bacon.
Iko-curl lang hit ulit.
Ang sarap. It's like the bacon steak.
Yes.
Pwede mo na siya diretso dito, baby girl, para pag binuhat
Ilagay
mo,
po pala muna natin yung wax
parang hindi
wax paper
dumikit.
para hindi po dumikit
Okay.
pag niluto natin.
Siguro tulungan na natin siya mag-twist.
Yes.
Ayan.
Ayan po, ayan.
Perfect.
Okay, there you go.
Sige lang, I'll help you twist
Ayan,
ha.
go Kuya Kim.
Yeah.
Kulang
Bilang
natin.
Kuya Kim is also a newbie in the kitchen.
Go po, magsama kayo dyan.
Madali lang,
O
twisted
kailangan
twisted
lima yan ha. One for each one of us. Tapos ito toast mo na siya ng ganyan.
Actually, masarap po talaga siya for snack kasi syempre bacon tapos parang isang, kasi po di ba kapag mga strips lang na ganyan, isang mahaba, tapos eto po kasi parang matigas po talaga siya.
Para
Tapos
siyang ano ba yun?
fries, para
What's
po
that
siyang
Tagalog
fries.
version of that? Pilipit?
Pilipit,
Pilipit?
oo.
Pinilipit?
Alam niyo ba yung linyang bring home the bacon? Sinasabi yun ngayon para sa mga papunta pa lang sa trabaho. So people think it's about bringing home money.
Di ba?
Hindi. Alam niyo ba na nagsimula ito noong 12th century sa England? Binibigyan noon ng simbahan ng mga mister o asawang lalaki ng bacon kung susumpa sila before God na hindi sila mag-aaway ng misis nila for 1 year plus a day. Men who brought home bacon were seen as ika nga mga good husbands.
Alright, and then
Pwede yan.
after this, i-bake natin siya for how long?
For 20 minutes po, 176 Celsius.
Ayun, nice one, Shayne. Okay, moving on kay Mikey.
Okay. Ito naman gagawin ko, we call it corn ribs. It's very
Okay.
easy to prepare. So, basically, we mix all of these ingredients together. I-mix natin yan sa butter. Pwede din siya sa margarine if you want that.
Well, but butter's better.
Yep. Okay, let's put the chili. Ako, fan mo ba kayo ng maanghang?
Sakto lang.
Ako din, sakto lang. So, onti lang lalagay.
Yes, after
Okay.
little.
Little na ba yan?
So basically what you're going to do is you'll use corn na iluluto mo para siyang ribs.
Yes, that's my
parang gaganon
flavor.
siya.
Na ginagamit sa ribs, sa corn ilalagay.
Yes,
Ay,
yung
perfect
parang
sa
yung
mga
pinaka-rub niya.
Mm-hmm.
And then we put parsley.
Yep.
And then maybe some rib sauce, yung
You
barbecue
can
sauce.
put if you want, yeah.
I think this would be good din with barbecue sauce. Paprika din nga, oo. Halatang bias ako, hindi kasi ako fan ng maanghang. Sorry.
Hindi mo palagyan naman.
No, paprika's not maanghang.
Really? Hindi
Yeah,
ba?
it's not.
There we
Yun,
go.
nice one.
Ang ganda ng color. So there we go. And then, after mixing it well, we can spread this all over our corn na and bake it for up to 20 to 25 minutes is good enough at 165 degrees Celsius.
So how do you put all of that now in the corn?
I think the best way to do it if you don't have a brush is use your hands para thoroughly sa corn naka-spread talaga siya. Let's do that.
So you just rub it all over the corn.
With your hands.
Generously, para for more power.
Yes.
That looks exciting, ha?
Yes.
Normally, that is a snack or a bayad. Ulam ba siya o snack?
Feeling ko it's good na
Or
pulutan.
appetizer.
Feeling ko masarap siyang pulutan. Diba, ang ganyan. Pero bawal uminom. Ha!
Thanks for that advice. Ayoko nang kainin yan.
Ang
Okay.
dami mo lang kinain ng GMO sa buong buhay mo.
Marami na. Dagdag pa
Okay.
tayo. Okay.
Feeling ko dadagdagan ko lang sa mga gilid-gilid kasi while cooking,
Yes.
mas magsisweeten yung flavor.
Exciting siya kasi hindi mo alam yung flavor.
At saka it's nice kasi itong dishes na to, walang luto. Oven lang ang
Yes.
best friend mo. Tapos makakakain ka ng matiwasay.
Okay, you can put it inside now?
Okay,
We
go.
can put this. We can put the whole thing inside the
Yes,
oven.
iaangat lang ni Mars yan.
Siguro dapat ito.
I don't think you need to put the...
Yan, nice one, Mars.
And then let's put this here. Okay,
Ayan.
pop it in.
Oops. Yan, ang bongga dito, pwede mong pagsabaying lutuin
Yes.
yung corn at yung bacon.
There we
So,
go.
nakatipid ka rin sa electricity. Dalawa pa ang nakain mo. Let's eat, guys!
Nothing this bacon talaga.
Ano ba?
I don't even eat pork, but
Mars, pancit siya ron.
Sa inyo na lahat ng corn ko. Akin na yung mga bacon nyo.
Gulat ako dun sa bacon. Hindi ko
Trade.
na-expect yun. Oo.
Thank you, baby girls. In fairness, ha? Road to ano na kayo? Kitchen
Yeah.
expert. Okay.